Enhancing conversations. The power of tone and intonation in encouraging language. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll dive into a very important topic, using appropriate tone and intonation in encouraging language. In any language, and especially in English, your tone and intonation play a huge role in conveying your message effectively. They can show your interest, make others feel encouraged, and improve the overall quality of the conversation. Before we start using tone and intonation, we need to understand what they are. The tone of your voice is the overall character or attitude it conveys, while intonation refers to the pitch or inflection changes in your voice during speech. Think of your voice as a musical instrument. The way you play it can change the meaning of the tune you're playing. It's the same with speech. The way you speak can change the meaning of your words. In encouraging language, your tone should convey warmth, positivity, and interest. Imagine you're telling a friend, "You're doing great." If you say it with a flat or annoyed tone, it might sound sarcastic or uninterested. But if you say it with a warm and enthusiastic tone, it genuinely sounds encouraging. A great way to practice tone is to think about the feeling you want to convey before you start speaking. If you want to sound interested and encouraging, try to genuinely feel that way. Your tone will naturally match your feelings. Your intonation can change the meaning of a sentence or show your emotional state. In English, a rising intonation at the end of a sentence often indicates a question or shows surprise. On the other hand, a falling intonation can show certainty or completion. When using encouraging language, you can use intonation to show your interest. For instance, when asking, "Really? Tell me more," a rising intonation on "really" can show surprise and interest, encouraging the other person to continue. In practice, tone and intonation often work together. A warm tone with a rising intonation can express excited interest, like when saying, "That's amazing," with enthusiasm. Meanwhile, a warm tone with a falling intonation can express comforting certainty, like when saying, "You're doing just fine," to reassure someone. Remember, practice is key. Try using different tones and intonations when speaking English, and observe the reactions. With time, you'll become more skilled at using your voice to enhance your conversations. So there you have it. Using the right tone and intonation in English can really improve your ability to show interest and encourage others. Remember, your voice is a powerful tool. So, don't be afraid to use it. I hope this video helps you understand how tone and intonation can transform your conversational skills. Stay tuned for more tips and keep practicing. Until next time, happy learning!